Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is heat equation. Let u x comma t satisfies the initial boundary value problem. Del u by del t in equals to del square u divided by del x square. X belongs to 0 comma t and u x comma 0 is equal to sine pi x and u 0 comma t u 1 comma t is equal to 0. Then for x belongs to 0 t, find u x comma 1 by pi square is equals to. So friends, we know the formula solution. We know the equation, the homogeneous equation. This equation is called homogeneous heat equation. We have to remember for competitive examination. We have to remember the competitive examination homogeneous heat equation. We need to remember for competitive examination that u x comma t homogeneous means u, this is the, this value u x comma 0 is equal to sine pi x, this value is equals to 0. So u x comma t, there are two type of equation, one is homogeneous and non-homogeneous. You need to remember both. So x comma t equals to summation n dn sine x n pi x divided by L e to the power minus n square pi square by L square into t. So this is my formula. So and also k is multiply because in here k is equal to 1. In which case if this equation is del u by del t equals to k del square u del x square. So this equation, this now dn equals to, okay, u x comma t equal to dn. Okay, yes, formula this. So dn equals to 2 by L, okay, 2 L sine sine n sine n pi x divided by L. Formula is fx into dx. Okay, in here u x comma 0 is equal to fx. Please check my short video. I have already mentioned this formula. Okay, fx, and fx is in here sine pi x, okay, and L is in here 1. So what we get? We get the value is 2 in 1 sine n pi x n pi x into sine pi x pi x dx. In here L equals to 1 and k equals to 1, everyone know, and k equals to, in here k equals to 1. Problem, please check my problem. You see k equals to 1. So whatever I then the value is only 1, because in case of d2 0 to 1 sine square n pi and 2 sine square pi x 1 minus cos 2 pi x dx, and my value will come 1, and otherwise di equals to 0, di equals to 0 for all I does not equals to. Next is ux comma sine pi x. So sine pi x e to the power, what is my formula? My formula is sine pi x n equals to 1 and pi x dn equals to 1, and pi square divide pi square t, okay, minus pi square t. So ex comma 1 by pi square equals to sine pi x e to the power minus 1. So this is my answer. I hope it is clear for everyone. Thanks for watching, and please check and review total work, because we need to check total work how I solve this problem. Okay, this is my total work. If any mistake, please kindly check. I hope I am correct. Thanks for watching.